Welcome to Mariner 3S. In this video we show you how to check and service your Puromat. The most common cause of faults on the Puromat is limescale. Limescale can build up on the nozzles and other areas and impair the cleaning effect. If you operate the Puromat without a hood, you can see immediately whether all nozzles are spraying and the cleaning head is moving properly. In this example, several nozzles are calcified and should be cleaned and descaled. We will now show you how to descale and clean the parts. To do this, dismantle the cylinder end piece. Loosen the two pull rods. The cylinder end can now be removed. Remove the two mounting screws and remove the cleaning head. Carefully remove the gasket. Take the pull rod out of the piston tube. Now decalcify the cleaning head and cylinder end piece. To do this, use a commercially available descaler of the kind you use for household appliances. Wear protective gloves. Do not immerse the parts in the descaling liquid for too long. Rinse the part thoroughly. Repeat the process with the cylinder end piece. Reassemble the Puromat. Clean and dry the cylinder end piece. Grease the O-ring. Reinsert it. Place the cylinder end piece on the cylinder. Pay attention to the orientation. Now mount the two pull rods. Screw them tight. Now mount the two pull rods. To do this, clean and grease the O-ring. Reinstall the O-ring. Reinstall the shift rod. Place the cleaning head on the cylinder. The switching rod must protrude through the hole in the cleaning head. Screw the cleaning head back on with the 2 screws. This completes the maintenance and the Puromat is ready for use again. Thank you for your attention. Further information about our products can be found on our homepage and our YouTube channel.